Yes, ye kwa yesem so dia na ye kwa Ghana ni abrante a ye friend say ye Chasni Ama Mensah Junior. Asa oba ye showbiz ni mu dia ne friend no ye Shatta Wale one done. Yes, ade chin ade sano na abrante no ne fan base and asa ne fans increase. Na me no ke say de abrante ye odo a nkrofo bebre omo ye foreigners enya de ama no ye ade bo adwen ne entiase eso. Na ewo interview na abrante bi ono kura no ye Congolese ni abrante a obobo ewo my Ghana mo ye folk abrante yetimi a kire wo doke se wo de ma Shatta Wale titiru ne inspiration ne melody ne kwan of aso ye representing na de ye du twam Japanese abrante a ono so ebo ne ball e de my busia 12 na wo interview bi a na omototo na no ewo Joy FM sport journalist and a friend say Gar Asmith abra na wototo abrante a friend say Jindo Moroshita anono na no na abrante a kan say bebre greatness and their father king of Africa dance so I friend say Shatta Wale so ehun ni nyina ne say abrante ni kiremu a o say Shatta Wale song no it serve as inspiration to him. Yes, one no no inspiration at the man and at the same time although he is not familiar to the lyrics but you know the melody no rhythm no fa so etie no ya dey say what tie you know to say yes be kasa woni mu onya motivation bi woni mu onya hu say yes something is waking me up what you say na abrante e won interview mu na ene oni wo chire no ma bebre although to say kakai ni sa no money na so tie to say yes mola high na ka we say ಈ video no e ma hu the way esi e kwana so ya be kan caption kakra wa ase no say open video na ahwa na mesra so be ko GH trending link so video no da obetimi asha because of our community standard inti anya video bia na obetimi dey den e dey afa ha for ebi some condition and times bi I work adwuma mu na me making kind the way city I say Shatta Wale is the musician I listen to all the time. I don't understand the lyrics but I like the rhythm style of his song what you say the melody and the kind of song also inspire me and then you to me say abrante I can say me ready for Shatta Wale I the kai hit maker yes one done yeah other for na make I say when so no e kwan abrante friend say Shatta Wale efa so en winning the fan base and che bia India ni abrante bi kura beto nyoma ma ne gede to say kai hi what me say yes and no ma so e koye not of na make I say hi express TV or some for like subscribe it so when you subscribe ya mesro pass over subscribe wo share be bo ama wona wanya bia hwe no so benya bia iden ahwe we like and no comment in the form of atena asemi no ya ne here pa ma me na wase be share biem makraw